In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add line numbers in Google Docs. If you need to review drafts, reference specific parts of a document, or make collaboration easier, line numbers can be really helpful. They allow everyone looking at the document to quickly identify where a section appears on the page, which is especially useful for editing, academic work, or team feedback. To get started, open your Google Doc. Make sure you're inside the document where you want the line numbers to appear. Once the document is open, look at the top menu bar. This is where you'll find most of the formatting and document tools available in Google Docs. From that top menu, click on Tools. This will open a drop-down menu with several options related to writing, reviewing, and document settings. Take a moment here to make sure you're selecting the right menu, since it can be easy to confuse it with format or extensions if you're moving quickly. After opening the Tools menu, click on Line Numbers. When you select this option, a panel will appear on the right-hand side of your screen. This side panel gives you access to the line numbering settings for the current document. If you don't immediately notice it, look to the far right side of the document window, where Google Docs often places additional formatting controls. In that right-hand column, you'll see an unchecked box next to the option to show line numbers. Click that box to enable the feature. As soon as it's checked, line numbers will appear in your document. That's all it takes to turn them on. If you don't see the option right away, it may help to click back into the document and try the Tools menu again. Also, keep in mind that Google Docs can occasionally update its interface, so the wording or placement may look slightly different depending on your account or device, but the process is generally the same. A useful tip is to scroll through your document after enabling line numbers so you can confirm they're displaying the way you expect. This is especially important if you're preparing a document for review or sharing it with others. That quick check can save time and prevent confusion later. And that's how to add line numbers in Google Docs. Once enabled, they make it much easier to refer to exact parts of your document and keep everyone on the same page.